Mullah Nasruddin is a clever and humorous character from Middle Eastern folk tales, known for his unusual wisdom and often funny misadventures. One day, he needed to repair the roof of his house. He gathered all the building materials and loaded them onto his donkey. Carefully, he led the donkey up the stairs to the roof. It was a difficult climb, but finally the donkey reached the top. Mullah unloaded the materials from the donkey's back and began his work. When he finished, he tried to guide the donkey down the stairs. To his surprise, the donkey refused to go down. No matter what Mullah did, the donkey would not descend. Frustrated and exhausted, Mullah finally left the donkey on the roof and went inside to rest. From the window, he noticed the donkey jumping up and down on the roof. Alarmed, he rushed back outside to calm it down, but the donkey would not settle. After a while, Mullah realized that the wooden ceiling beneath the donkey was starting to give way. The donkey's legs were hanging through the roof. Finally, the roof collapsed and the donkey fell to the ground and died. Shaking his head, Mullah Nasruddin said, "Curse me! I did not know that if a donkey reaches a high or important position, it will destroy that place and also bring about its own death." This story teaches an important lesson. Sometimes when someone or something is placed in a position beyond their understanding or capability, both the position and the one in it can suffer. Power, responsibility, or high status require wisdom and care. Without them, even the strongest or most reliable can cause harm to themselves and to the world around them.